Hi guys, if you're keen to learn mathematics and master the subject, then do follow GK's math classes.
As we have started the crash course for all engineering entrance examinations, today we are here to discuss the part 2 of analytical coordinate geometry, namely locus and change of axis. Let's proceed. The straight line passing through the point 8, 4 and cuts y-axis at B and x-axis at A. The locus of midpoint of AB is, we are required to find. 4 options are given. Now see, this is x-axis and y-axis. This is origin. A line cuts x-axis at capital A, comma 0, capital B, 0, comma B. Automatically, the line in the intercept form is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. It is a well-known fact. The locus of midpoint means P x1 y1 be the midpoint of AB. Then x1 is equal to A by 2. y1 is equal to B by 2. A plus 0 by 2 is x1, 0 plus B by 2 is y1. So you have A is equal to 2x1, B is equal to 2y1. So here instead of A, B, you substitute x by 2x1, y by 2y1 is equal to 1. Okay? But the line passes through the point 8, 4. So put substitute 8, 4 here. 8 by 2x1, 4 by 2y1 is equal to 1. 2 4s, 2 2s. So you have 4y1 plus 2x1 is equal to x1 y1. Therefore locus xy minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. xy minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0 is second choice. A2, 1. Locus of B is x square plus y square is equal to 25. If P divides AB in the ratio 1:2, then the locus of P. Okay. The locus of B is x square plus y square is equal to 25 means it is 5 cos theta, 5 sin theta parametric point. It is a point on circle. Okay. And take A 2, 1. This is B. Here the point P divides it in the ratio 1:2. Let it is x1, y1. Now 1 into 5 cos theta, 5 cos theta plus 2 2s are 4 by 1 plus 2 3. 1 into 5 sin theta plus 2 1s are 2 by 3. This is equal to x1 y1. Now take this. 5 cos theta is equal to 3x1 minus 4 and 5 sin theta is equal to 3y1 minus 2. Squaring and adding we have 3x1 minus 4 whole square, 3y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to 25 cos square theta plus 25 sin square theta. If you take 25 as common, you will have 25 into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. It is first choice. If A, x1, x2, x3 and so on, and B, y1, y2, y3 and so on form two infinite APs, that is arithmetic progressions with the common difference P and K respectively, then the locus of P, h, k, when h is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on plus xn by n, k is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus and so on plus yn by n is, now first this is AP with the common difference P. So you have h is equal to x1 is a plus p, a plus 2b, a plus np by n, because x1 a plus p because common difference, x2 a plus 2p, x3 a plus 3p, xn a plus n, right? So if you take a we have na by n plus, if you take p as common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n by L. So H is equal to A plus P by N into N plus 1 by 2. So consider H as X. X minus A is equal to P into N plus 1 by 2. So X minus A by P is equal to N plus 1 by 2. Same we are having with the common difference Q. So similarly we have Y minus B by, because it is starting with B, Y minus B by Q is equal to N plus 1 by 2. Dividing, because 2 are equal, X minus A by P is equal to Y minus B by Q. Cross multiplication. Q into X minus A is equal to P into Y minus P. Q into X minus A, P into Y minus B, that is first choice. If A 0, 0, B 1, 2 and P moves the point, that is X, Y. Triangle PAB is 2 square angles, half modulus X1 minus X2, X1 minus X3, Y1 minus Y2, Y1 minus Y3 is equal to 2 square angles. Send it to there. Minus 1 minus X minus 2 minus Y is equal to 4. Y minus is plus. Minus 2X is equal to 4. Squaring on both sides. Y minus 2X whole square is equal to 4 square. 4X square minus 4XY plus Y square is equal to 60. 4x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 16. Second choice. A point moves such that the sum of the squares of its distance from the sides of a square of side unity means 1, is equal to 9, the locus of such point. Take this. Take the square here. This is 0, 0. This is 1, 0. This is 1, 1. This is 0, 1. Let here 3x, y be the point here. What is saying? A point moves such that the sum of the squares of its distances from the sides of a square of side unity. It is 1, 1, 1. First, you take the distance to here. The distance is actually modulus y. From this point to x-axis is y. The total distance is 1. This is 1 minus y. Now, the distance is x here. This is 1 minus 6. Sum of the squares means y square, 1 minus y whole square, x square, 1 minus 6 whole square. Why it is taking sum of the squares? Sum of the squares of its distances is equal to 9. So, y square minus 2y plus 1, x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 9. X square plus x square 2x square, 2y square minus 2x minus 2y, 1 plus 1. 2. 2 minus 9 is minus 7. Dividing by 2, we have x square plus y square minus x minus y minus 7 by 2 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus x minus y minus 7 by 2 is third choice.